Welcome to the channel. Creation of hyperlink and QR codes in Canva is very easy. For this purpose, we will select a design from Canva. We will choose a design where we may find a button at least. So we take this design. So first of all, we will link a hyperlink with this button. So select the text. So when you select the text, you see that a chain icon appears over it. Click on it, and here in URL you can paste the desired URL address you want to hyperlink with this button. So here I will give address my YouTube channel, and now click done. So this button is now hyperlink and clickable. The next step is to create a QR code. So click on apps, select here, search here QR code. There are so many different types of QR codes with different designs, but I will just select this simple QR code, click on it, and here in URL I will again put in here the address of my YouTube channel. Click on generate code, and you see this QR code is created. So to test this whether this QR code is working, you have to scan this with your mobile. When you will scan it with your mobile cam, you will see that the address of URL will appear on your mobile screen. You will click and it will automatically take you to the desired URL as per this QR code. So next step is download this file as PDF. PDF standard, and now click download. So let's save this file. So after it gets downloaded, we will open the file. So let the downloading finish. So here is my PDF file downloaded from Canva. So you see, when I bring the cursor on this button, the address of the URL appears on the screen, and if I click on it, it will take me to the URL address. So it's opening my YouTube channel, and here it is. So hopefully you like the video. Thank you for watching.